India and Russia have historic ties dating back hundreds of years. The legendary Silk Route through Russia and Central Asia provided unique opportunities for early contacts and cultural exchanges. Across centuries, Russia and India have evinced great interest in each other. In modern times too, there has been a meeting of great minds. 1970s were indeed a high watermark in the context of Indo-Russian relations and academic interaction. Many in the younger generation are extremely enthusiastic about India. In the years since India's independence, India and the Soviet Union walked in step in the international arena, and a mutually beneficial partnership was forged for accelerated economic development. Steel making, hydroelectric power generation, oil exploration, aeronautics and pharmaceuticals were among the diverse areas of fruitful cooperation. Traditional imports from Russia comprise iron and steel, fertilizers, non-ferrous metals, chemicals and newsprint. An important part of Russian exports constitute heavy machinery. Early 90s was a time when the new Russia faced a shortage of hard currency. There were hardly any resources available to import consumer goods. Trade with India assumed great significance. Woolens, hosiery and leather products could be bought without diverting the scarce hard currency. Indian products have satisfactorily met rising Russian demands. Cooperation in the field of defense covers a wide range of high-tech activities on land, sea and air. Along with other orders for supply of defense hardware, the Indian orders have also been crucial for the economic well-being and gainful employment of the Russian labor force in such important cities from St. Petersburg to Vladivostok. Another exciting area of cooperation between the two countries is the energy sector. Oil exploration in India began with Soviet assistance, and the country has made remarkable progress since then. The Russians have also lent valuable assistance in enabling India to set up and operate nuclear power plants to produce clean energy. The first Indian astronaut was propelled to space from a Soviet cosmodrome.
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको?
मैं बगैर किसी झिझक के कह सकता हूँ कि सारे जहां से अच्छा.
Multi-ethnic and diverse, both India and Russia face similar challenges in managing a democratic and federal polity. As Russia marks its passage from one-party rule to a multi-party democracy, the functioning of democracy in India will assume even greater relevance. The cooperation on earth, water and sky continues to propel the partners in progress to reach even farther and excel past achievements.